G'day guys, hope you're having an awesome day. A lot of people ask me, is it too late? Have I missed the boat with Amazon? Is there too many people already out there selling on Amazon? Well, the answer to that is obviously no. Amazon is so big, the marketplace is so huge. Australia recently, they only just opened one in Sydney 3 months ago, but we have such a massive growing population, and also they're building more fulfillment centers here in Australia. So obviously there's a lot of potential here. Obviously Amazon think that we've got a lot of room to grow, and there isn't a whole lot of sellers on Amazon just yet. It's growing every year. There's more people obviously joining Amazon in Australia, but obviously the sooner that you jump on, the better, because you want to get your reviews up, you want to nail down your products, nail down your niches. But guys, there is a massive opportunity out there. It's not really a small pond, it's a huge pond. And what I'll say to you is once you nail down the Australian market with your product, then you go and then you conquer Europe, Germany, Italy, France. Then you narrow down the American market, right? So it's a massive opportunity out there, and it's never too late to jump onto Amazon. A lot of it comes down to selling a great product, selling a product that is obviously not just a cheap knockoff or a counterfeit product. It's not just a product that everybody's selling. You've got to do the stats and the research. I would probably say about 80% of my time is looking at a particular product, deciding whether or not I want to jump onto it, whether or not I want to bring it in. Now, the Amazon FBA costs of setting it up, shipping it to your warehouse and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, there's time involved, but the majority of my time is finding that product initially. And I would spend about 80% of my time finding that product. And that's why I actually do have a lady now working for me full-time. Her name is Carol, and she works for me full-time in my business, finding hot products for me and my clients. So, I would give her a product. I might find one of my competitors selling a product. I'll say, hey Carol, look at this. What do you think? Is it profitable? How many are they bringing in? What's their storage costs on this? What's their shipping costs on this? How many do you think they're selling a month? Look on Alibaba, look on all these other websites, figure out what the cost is, contact the suppliers, get the best price, and then I'll do a feasibility study and viability, finding out whether or not it's even worth my while jumping onto that particular product. So guys, there is a strategy, there is ways to go about jumping on Amazon properly. Don't just jump into it and dive into it and fingers crossed and hope you get a great product. Don't just do the shotgun approach, which is basically, I'll try everything and hopefully it works. Guys, it doesn't work. Seriously, there are people out there who know what they're doing, like myself, right, who will beat you in this game. So get good training, know exactly how to launch something on Amazon, and let's get something started. Don't forget, I've got a 2-day boot camp happening on the Gold Coast. Check it out, check out the website. Also, I do have a free video program on my website as well, giving you the 10 hottest products that you can get started with right now on Amazon. Have an awesome day, guys. See you later.